Okay, pay no attention to the mess in the background. We're gonna do a short little tutorial. I have to get to my second job, but I have seen this all over TikTok and other places. We're gonna use the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, and we're gonna do pastel under the eyes. I forgot to say hello, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We need people like you in our crowd. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm wondering if you are scope locked on the Amber Heard Johnny Depp trial. Put it in the comments. Put I stand with Amber Heard or I stand with Johnny Depp, or I think there's one like Save Johnny or something like that. Put it in the comments which team you're on. I am curious. Okay, so we're gonna do a pastelish under eye rainbow type of a situation. We'll see how this goes. I am not sure about it myself, but we're just gonna go for the gold here. So I've got my Ace Beauté eyeshadow primer, and this is a technique where you put the color underneath, and you're gonna put a little on top, but on top you're gonna have some shimmer, and I think we're gonna use one of Jeffree's diamond. They're not called diamond. What are they called? They're not Super Shocks. What the hell are they? Oh, eyeglasses. Eyeglasses. Okay, so that was the shade Bubblegum that I just used. Now we're on the shade Fuck. I love this shade. One of my favorites. So working the two jobs is really challenging, and you guys have not seen much from me, but I will figure it out, and I'll get it right, don't worry. We will be hanging out 4 times a week. If I have to run myself to death, then that's what it has to be. This is a lot brighter than it's showing up, and so I'm a little concerned because it does not look, it's not pastel, because that's not what I grabbed. But now we're gonna kind of blend it out because we don't want it to be that bright. Okay, so now we've blended that out. I think we'll go with the green called Cute, the mintier green. Try to and we're all the way over here already. So I don't think this is exactly the trend, but it's kind of cute. Not gonna lie, it's kind of cute. Okay, I have so much to tell you guys, so much content to do. It's kind of I have the next 2 days off from my second job, so we should be able to do, I should be able to film quite a bit, and then we'll have videos dropping all week next week. And the blue kind of took away some of the green. I'm not sure if this is what I was trying to do or not. The yellow kind of faded, so I'm gonna have to redo that. Yikes. I love this palette. It's such a classic. That was something falling out of the fridge. Don't worry. I'm okay. My daughter is under the weather, poor thing. She's had a fever and just not feeling good. Oh, I forgot I have chicken in the... That's funny. I have chicken in the stove and I forgot all about it. Yeah, I'm not sure about this trend. I have seen it look really cool. I'm going to do some shimmer on top. I'll come back and show you when it's done. I actually kind of like it. I like it a lot more in the viewfinder than I do in person, because it's darker in person. All right, I'll see you in a moment. And here we go with the finished look. I just used the eye gloss in the color Mood Ring, and I used my Suva Opaques. Actually, this formula is growing on me, the white paint from them. So I think it actually looks really cute. I gotta finish getting ready for work. Thanks for stopping by. If you wanted to know how to create this look, there you go. See you soon. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.